Good afternoon. Happy Friday, September 7th. End of the month shopping, sales, discounts, deals for amateur radio community and beyond. Let's get started here. We always start these at R&L Electronics. Today he's got a tube of solder for $1.49. You can't really beat that. Although, honestly, limit of 5 per customer, so what's that, like $7.50, something like that? So you're probably going to want to add something else to the bag so it makes the shipping costs worthwhile. Although, I don't know, those don't weigh very much, so I don't really have any idea what they would cost as far as shipping goes, but there you go. He's got the new Yaesu FTX1RF. XTF, he's got RES behind it there. FTX1F. The new QRP radio announced at the Tokyo Ham Fair last month from Yaesu. Probably be out sometime early 2025. They haven't given us an official release date yet, but he's got the pre-order there. Add to cart, $1 for a pre-order there. Several other Yaesu radios on the front here. Different featured items. He's got the THD75 in stock, $5.99 for the D75. That's not a bad price for that radio. And, he's got the Anytone tri-band radio back in stock. I didn't realize he had that back in stock. This is one of the best tri-band radios that you can get. 2 meters, 220, and 440. I did a video about this one a couple years ago. I own 2 of these. I have one I'm going to put in my truck. I keep saying that. I haven't put it in there yet because I've been updating other things in the truck. But one of them's going in the truck, and one of them I'm probably going to put in a Go kit of some sort. But this is a great 220 megahertz, great tri-band radio that includes 220, 2 meters, and 440. $249. They make these in batches, so once they sell out, they won't be available again for a while, and then he'll get another batch in, you'll be able to buy it again. But those are in stock right now, so if this has interested you at all, go check that out at rnl.com. Buy 2A Radios has a 10% off all farm radio kits. 2A radios are becoming more increasingly important tool in agriculture, whether it's used on a farm, dairy, orchard, vineyard, or ranch. Radios are vital to reliable agricultural communication. So he kind of put these together in a kit that you can get for various radio services. Some CB stuff in here, some commercial band, UHF right there. Farm radio kit, some GMRS stuff, that kind of thing. But he's got a sale on all of this right now, which is pretty cool. This kit right here included is 2 KG805F FRS radios, 2 battery eliminators, 2 nylon cases, and 2 speaker microphones for that. So it's an FRS radio kit right there, but he's got several other things as well. Buy 2A Radios carries a full line of radios, 2A radios for ham, CB, marine band, FRS, GMRS, MERS, all kinds of good stuff. He carries these mellow wave antennas now, handheld GMRS handheld Bandit G GMRS antenna that are pretty good for improving reception and maybe distance on any of your GMRS handheld radios. So go check that out there, buy2aradios.com. BridgeCom has a monthly deal of the month they're calling it. Over $400 worth of free stuff here. Shop now. If you click on over here, they've got this huge bundle package that you see over here on the left. Looks like it includes the newest Anytone 878, Ultra Code Plug, BridgeCom University, Skybridge Max Hotspot, Battery Eliminator, extra battery, belt clip right there, speaker microphone, all kinds of other stuff, PTT, Bluetooth PTT button, all of this stuff in here for $834 off of $1238, about a $400 savings. I'll share this link in the description below, along with everything else we talk about today. Also, BridgeCom has a giveaway that's going on right now that will end in about 3 days and 16 hours. By the time you watch this video, it'll probably show like 3 days and 13 hours or something like that. I'm recording this video this morning, so I have not... Gleam keeps doing that to me. I don't know why. I haven't even tried to enter that yet, but one grand prize winner will receive an 878 UV2 Plus radio, Skybridge Max hotspot, plug-and-play package, BridgeCom University handheld training course, and BridgeCom University mobile training course. These training courses are sets of videos that they usually give away for free to people who buy radios directly from BridgeCom. But if you have a radio you got elsewhere and you want to buy the set of training videos, they sell them for $97 per package. So, again, they're being given away free in this plug-and-play powerhouse giveaway that they're advertising right now. Check that out. I will leave a link to this in the description below as well. So next month in October, Amazon is doing a Prime Big Deals Day, which they did last year. I think that was the first time they did it was last year. This is my Amazon page right here. A couple of vendors reached out to me early, and they said, hey, we're starting our Prime Big Deals Day sales now. One of them is Time USB Power. They make some really good lithium iron phosphate batteries. I did a review about one of their batteries, this one right here, this Group 24 battery, a while back. So they've got some sales going on. Several of their batteries here. You've got that looks like a mini version right there, and the Group 24 version. 100 amp hour, 12 volt lithium iron phosphate battery for $169. Pretty good price there. This one here is a 140 amp hour with low temp protection for $249. 50 amp hour right there. I had good luck with this battery that I reviewed a while back, and when they reached out to me and asked me to advertise for them for the Amazon sale upcoming next month, I said, sure, no problem. So check that out. Link in the description below as well. Bouge, I don't know how to say this. Bouge RV. They send you when they send you an email, they say it's pronounced this way, and the way they spell it doesn't make any sense. So I don't know what this is. 1 day, 19 hours left, 35% off Prime Day flash sale. Okay, again, this is Prime Day is Prime Big Deals Day is October 8th and 9th. We're going to be live streaming on this channel during those days, but several vendors have started sales early. So Bouge RV or Bougie RV, however you want to say that. I don't know how to say it. Sorry, I just don't know. Solar panels and stuff, 12-volt refrigerators, stuff for RV packages, stuff for overlanding vehicles right here. You can save pretty big discounts right here. You can see $96, $67 off of some of these fridges. $139, $144, $45 off of these flexible solar panels and rigid solar panels, that kind of thing. So check that out. I will leave a link to this in the description below as well. This is my Amazon store, where I put a lot of stuff up here for videos, product reviews that I get. This is the list from Prime Day, which was last July, I think. This is my Prime Day list. Some of this stuff is on sale, some of it's not. This will probably get updated. Look, that Cobra HT is on sale still. This will probably get updated for the Big Deals sale soon. But there's other lists in here. I've got one in here. This is that USB battery bank that I've talked about several times that has been the most popular selling product on my channel, on my Amazon channel, for the last couple of months, really. You can get this 10,000 milliamp hour USB-C power bank for $20 right now, limited time deal. That's pretty cool. So, but I've got links to this and everything else from my Amazon page, so I will share a link to this in the description below. As an Amazon associate, I can make commissions from some of these qualifying items, so just heads up on that. But you know, everything that affiliate links that we talk about today, everything that's in here does help to support the channel, so I really appreciate you guys using those links. American Radio Supply has a $10 off of $35 or more order. Coupon code today is 426291. Expires October 1st. They sell RF loads, mounts, attenuators, power plugs, switches, cables, connectors, adapters, pretty much everything that you want in your Go Kit when you go out into the field and you're like, oh, I needed an adapter or a coax for this, and I didn't think about it, so it's in your Go Kit now. So lots of great stuff there. $10 off a $35 or more order. They do this pretty much every month. So thanks to them for the support and always sending me those emails. Ham Radio Prep has a new course that's out that I actually interviewed them about last week and probably will post in a new video next week. You can always get a 20% discount off of everything on their website with the coupon code of Jason20. This is their Technician General and Amateur Extra course. This is their new Emergency Communications 101 course. Gain the critical skills needed to effectively communicate during events and emergencies, ensuring the safety of yourself, your family, and your community. You can sign up there now, and you get a 20% off of that course as well. They have an HF Masterclass they came out with a year ago, I think. In just a few hours of your time, we'll reveal all the secrets from ham radio experts with decades of experiences so that you can skip the line and become an HF expert. Really great if you're getting your general upgrade soon, or maybe you just now got your general upgrade. This is a great class for that. And of course, they have the Baofeng Basics course, which is great for UV5R users. It's probably one of the most popular radios when you first get your very first amateur radio license. So check that out today. You can actually find, if you go to their website and scroll down here, you can find different packages. These packages here, if you're interested in the Technician General and Extra courses, these are bundled packages. That's level 1 there. That's level 1 and 2, which you can save a 20% discount there. Level 1, 2, and 3, plus the Baofeng Basics course right there, save a 60% discount. The Jason20 coupon code works on top of these prices. So these are the prices that they offer to the general public, and to my subscribers, they offer an additional 20% off. So use the 20% off coupon on top of these prices to save an additional 20% off. And go check out Ham Radio Prep today if you're interested in getting your first license or your upgrade. Download their app and get started for free. The app costs nothing on iOS and Android. I made a lot of updates to my website over the last month, and some of these links now are affiliate links. If you go into this radio affiliate link, this right here, this is that Baofeng AR152, and if you go here and you can read about it, and then if you're interested in buying or reading more about it, click on Amazon, and this is an Amazon affiliate link that takes you there, so that helps to support the channel as well. We're going to go back here. This is all the radios. All these radios kind of work the same. I don't sell radios myself, so these are all links to other websites, including Better Safe Radio right there. And the coupon code is right there. Save 7% with code HR2all7, and you can go to Better Safe Radio by just clicking right there directly from my website. Same thing here with some radio gear. I've got some antennas here. There's the Faraday antenna, roll-up cloth antenna. Those Mellowave GMRS antennas we talked about by two-way radios, those are linked here. DigiRig, this is the digital interface for the Yaesu FT891, but he's got other stuff on his website as well. More on DigiRig's website right there. Signal sticks, some of the greatest HT antennas you can get, linked right here as well. So I've tried to make everything convenient for you guys. You've got radio affiliate radios on the far left, radio gear. Next to that, antennas get broken down to just antennas, which those are all included in the radio gear. Also, it's kind of redundant, but got the Edfong antennas, which I sell directly. I just got a new shipment of Edfong antennas in, so we've got some Edfong antennas in stock right now. The roll-ups, the PVCs, the GMRS, 220, pretty much everything. Well, 220, that's not right. I need to update that. I'll update that. I got a couple of 220s left as well. But pretty much all the Edfong antennas are in stock right now. And then mystery boxes. I added some more mystery boxes yesterday. They sold out about 2 or 3 days ago. I added some new ones yesterday. I think there's only like 10 or 12 left. So go grab those right there. I added some new stuff to that, and you can see, you can go take your chances and see what you get in a mystery box there. Also got a battery section right there. Links to different batteries. Most of these are on Amazon. And bug out kits. I actually have these in stock now too. Started carrying a few things. You're going to see a few more things like this coming up on the website. I'm not going to sell radios, but I am going to sell like accessories and stuff like this, like antennas and connectors and these bug out kits. This is like an emergency pack survival kit, so I have these directly for sale on this website. But also some of this stuff is being put into mystery boxes. So what I did was I found a couple of sourced websites, wholesale websites that you can buy in bulk from, and I'm buying stuff like this to put in mystery boxes, but I also sell it directly. So if somebody just wants this is a big wheel bag right here that has wheels on the back of it, and you can, it's not a very good picture. I have to add more pictures than that. That's just what came from their website. But if you want a big wheel bag just by itself, you can buy it directly, or you can take your chances, get a mystery box in, and hope that that's included in it. So different options there. Of course, all the t-shirts are still there. GMRS radios down here. So check out grapevineamateurradio.com or shop.hamradio2.com, all the same website. You can check that out, all the stuff that's there. Take advantage of that. That does help to support the channel as well. Next weekend is the Belton Ham Expo. This is a twice-a-year show. Happens usually in April and October, and happening the first weekend in October this year. It has a great potential. It has potential to be a great show if the weather's nice. It has a really fun outdoor swap fest on Friday, which is the unofficial show, and then the indoor ham fest is open on Saturday only. Friday they use for a load-in day for the vendors, but there are people in the parking lot setting up swap fest tables and tailgating. And I try to attend this show twice every year, and unless the weather is really bad, unless it's going to thunderstorm. If it's going to thunderstorm, I probably won't be there, but right now it's looking like the weather's going to be nice, so I have every intention of going down probably Thursday night, staying all day on Friday, camping in the parking lot, staying all day on Friday. And then on Saturday, I'm going to have to leave early, probably just get up Saturday morning and head out, because MeshCon is taking place that Saturday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. in Florence, Texas, which is not very far from Belton at all. And MeshCon is a Meshtastic type event where they're doing a couple of seminars. They're having some vendor stuff there. It's put on by Spec 5. They make these really cool cases, 3D printed cases for some of your Meshtastic radios. And I got him. This is the first time they've ever done this. The first time they've done this event is a brand new event, and they invited me to it. And I'm actually giving my presentation, how to get started in amateur radio, at 10:50 that morning. It's about a 30-minute presentation. I've given that a couple times at the Moore Expo in Springfield, Missouri, the last couple of years. So they're interested in talking about radio, but learning more about Meshtastic throughout the course of the day. It's just a 4-hour event. I plan to be there, kind of record some video, talk to some people, see how well it works, and I hope that they have a really good turnout in this event. So looking forward to both the Belton Ham Expo on Friday of next weekend, and then the MeshCon on Saturday, and then after that I'll probably head home. So you guys check that out if you're in this area. Finally, as soon as this video ends, I will have a new premiere on my Pac-Man channel. I have this channel I set up about a year ago. I talk about backpacks, bags, different kinds of stuff. This right here has been my most popular video so far that I put out about a week ago. A complete bug out kit from Amazon. Get it now. And I'm starting to do some more EDC type carrying stuff. Maybe EDC bags or stuff to put in your pocket, that kind of thing. So go check out the video that will start right as this one ends. 73 all. Hope to see you next weekend at the Belton Ham Expo or at MeshCon. You guys have a good weekend.